What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. If you want proof, click that link above me, and that's all you gotta do. Now, today's video, what we're gonna do Chinese lemon chicken wings. Guys, this is a great recipe. If you like the lemon flavor in your chicken, it's not lemon pepper now, but if you like that lemon flavor in your chicken, this is a great recipe, an alternative to lemon pepper wings. So go ahead, I'm in my kitchen. I hope you're in your...
Right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have our Publix green wise chicken. We're going to use some flour, egg, cornstarch, sugar, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, salt, white vinegar, garlic powder, ginger, ground red pepper, and 1 lemon. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already cut and cleaned our chicken. So what we have here, we have 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We have 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We also have 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 2 large eggs whisked. We have 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of flour. We have the juice of this 1 lemon, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of red pepper, and I have the zest of 1 lemon, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch also. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our lemon sauce. So what you want to do is you want to add your lemon juice first to a pot. Next, add your soy sauce, add your vinegar, your sugar, red pepper flakes, your ginger powder, your garlic powder, and you want to give that a good mix to combine it. And you want to bring this to a boil while you constantly stir it. Once it starts boiling, what you want to do is you want to add your cornstarch. What I did was I put my cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. And what you want to do is you want to add this to your mixture. And what this does, it thickens it up. So you want to slowly add it. You don't want to add it all at one time. So add it and stir it. Add a little bit more. Stir it until you've used all your cornstarch, and your sauce will start to thicken. All right, once your sauce thickens, what you want to do is you want to pour this into an empty dish, and you're going to reserve this until later on in the recipe. I'll see you guys in the next step. Also, what you want to do now is you want to add your lemon zest to your lemon sauce mixture. Give that a good stir. And this is what we are going to reserve until later on in the recipe. All right. See you in the next step. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our flour for our wings. So what you want to do is you want to add your cornstarch into your flour bowl. Next, add your pepper, your salt, and lastly, your ground red pepper. And you want to give this a good mix to combine it. All right. Once you do that, we'll move on. All right, guys, so what it seems like what happened in this next step was the file that I had flour in the chicken, I guess it got damaged, so I no longer have that file. So what you want to do is you want to dip your chicken pieces into the egg wash, and then you want to drop it into your flour mixture. And once you do that, you want to put it onto a plate or a cutting board. So you want to do each piece of chicken like this. What you do is you drop it into your egg whisk, then roll it in your flour and add it to a plate. And we'll move on to the next step. All right, so I've already added my chicken pieces into my basket. I've preheated my oil to 350 degrees. So I'm going to drop it into this fryer, and I'm going to allow these chicken pieces to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Of course, you know, once your chicken starts to rise to the top, that's when it's done. So guys, you can cook it for 7 to 10 minutes. Just depends on how hot your oil is. All right, so these have been in here for about 4 minutes. So I'm gonna drop them back down, have them cook a little bit longer. You can see how crispy they're getting. It definitely looks good. All right, I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, it looks like our chicken pieces are done. So let's remove them from the grease. Look at that color. This looks beautiful. So we're going to take our chicken pieces and add them to a bowl so we can finish the recipe. So go ahead, remove your chicken pieces, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so it's now time to sauce these bad babies. So what you want to do is you want to take that lemon sauce that you reserved, and what you want to do is you want to spoon it over your chicken pieces. Now you can put as much or as little as you like, depending on how saucy you want your wings. I want my wings to be pretty saucy, so I'm going to add a lot of sauce to my chicken pieces. All right, once you've added your desired amount of sauce, you want to grab your lid, cover, and do a little shake it, bake it, bake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, bake it. Remove your lid. Take a look at that. That's what I'm talking about. And let's move on. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove our chicken pieces and add them to a clean plate. Look at this, guys. These things look beautiful. All right, so go ahead, add your chicken pieces, and I'll see you in the final step. And there you have it. Chinese lemon wings. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 guys. Take a look at that. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe. Guys, if you like the Chinese lemon wings that you get out of the Chinese takeout, this is an alternative to that chicken. Take a look at that. All right, guys, so the ingredients and the measurements are all in the video description below. Guys, if you hadn't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you can, like this video. Well, not if you can, because you can. It's free. Like the video. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Go ahead, check out my Facebook page. Like my Facebook page. Guys, if you order anything from the Amazon links below, it does support the channel. So I appreciate you guys for stopping by and support me. And I will see you in the next video. And I am out. Peace.